How to reset the Xbox game bar to default windows. If your Xbox game bar is not working properly, it's having opening recording issues, overlays are missing, we can reset it to the default settings. So let's get started. Open up settings for that. And once we open up settings, we can go to apps and look out for install applications and open it up. Apps or features depending upon the window version, and basically find Xbox here. So look out for Xbox. Once you find Xbox, you can look out for the three dot next to the Xbox game bar, and there basically go ahead and look out for advanced option and click on it. And within there, we can just go over and look out for terminate. This option here, terminate, you can just go over and click on it. Otherwise, you can look out for reset option and confirm it up when prompted, and that should restore Xbox game bar to its default settings. Before resetting, you can also go to the option called repair and repair it instead. That should also fix the app without deleting the settings. Apart from that, we can just go over and look out for quick test after the reset. So you can press Windows plus G for that. After that, it will open up this, and if it opens the reset has worked, and that probably worked out for you, make sure that your game bar is enabled. If not, we can just go over and go to settings and look out for gaming and look out for game bar here and ensure this toggle option is turned on, and that should do it. And that is it, everybody. Those are the methods you can follow up. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.